big dogging each other. Whoa! His dick's out. Whoa! He has the high ground. My bet's on big dog. Ooh, he's going for a bunch of snips, though. Whoa. Also, I love how this guy's like 6 feet away from them. Do you think he's zoomed in from afar? It looks like he's standing right next to them fight. Whoa. Other one's nose is too big. He's fucking choking on it. Ew. Oh my god, he's just like gagged. Yo! Oh, they're coming at it now. Nah, this is the fuck out. Damn! Damn! No, they're strapped like crazy. They're not really hurting each other. Run predictions. Run predictions. Run predictions. Start putting money on it. I don't know. I feel like this one's got more, this one's more aggressive, but I feel like this one, you know, he's kind of holding his ground. Like crazy right now. He ain't attacking, though. He's got to start fighting. Oh, he's got his nose! He's got his nose! He's got his nose! Oh! 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 He took a bite out of that motherfucker, and then he ran away.